So here's the project for today. Something like that. So here's the egg. Front to back, so the edge here to the front is roughly 26. And then from the base to the top of the barrel there is 18. All right, so far I got the post, uprights. I still got to take these 2x off of the front. Those are just to make it square. And now I'm going to cut the columns, if you want to call it. So the only wheels I could find are these neoprene 3-inch casters locking wheel. I couldn't find the ones without the lock, so it's gonna get all caster locking wheels on it. Here's the progress so far. I still gotta shore up the bottom part where the grill's gonna sit. And I think I'm gonna sister some 2x4s on the sides. And then I'm going to put a sister board here on the front. And then I'm going to make like joist brackets across. And I did my brackets on the floor. And so that's so far what it looks like. Still I'm probably gonna get 2 more wheels. So 2 wheels center and then 2 wheels on the outside. For the top, I'm just gonna do a concrete slab with some fiber reinforced crete, 1.5 inches on the top. It's gonna be flush with the edge. So the edge will be here, and then it's gonna come out 1 inch, and then front and back 1 inch. Here's the 2 forms. Turned out okay. I still gotta make a slurry and fill in all the pinholes. Somehow on this one, good old leaf fell into the mix. I don't know how that happens. But create some slurry and then go over the top. I still gotta make the bottom or the center part for the grill. Just gotta get some measurements for the grill again. Then I could create a form. I think I'm gonna do it 2 inches. And then on the side wall, like here and there, my good old neighbor gave me this sheet metal. Kind of tough to bend. I don't know what gauge it is. I think that's gonna look cool once I get that corrugated steel on there, or that corrugated metal, and trim up 1x4s on top, bottom, sides, and then corrugated metal on the back and side, and the door as well. So I'm gonna get another wheel for the center, and then take it all off, all the concrete, and go from there. Here goes the tops. rough. Really rough. This one, I don't know what happened. Oh well. And this one is the roughest. Mind you, I didn't have any of the Marsite board, whatever that is, to do the countertop. So I just used regular MDF. It works. It's a countertop. It's gonna be outside. I don't know if I want to do a slurry coat or just seal it. Or maybe I just might even just say screw it. I mean, it's like $6 a bag. Each top is a good old 80-pound bag. Good grief, these things are heavy. 1.5 inches thick, 29 3/8 by 30. That one's 30, this one's 30, 30 wide. Yeah, boy. Just put the sides on. I still got to get my 1x4s, or maybe like a corner 1x4. Picture frame it. A miter cut, you know, sides 1x4. Miter cut. You know, I'll probably have to tie in a piece there. You know, both sides. Tie it from the top. So I had to cut that sheet metal. I'm gonna do that next. Put that there, or on the inside walls. Coming along, that's the back side of it basically. I just hope those wheels don't fail. They're supposed to be rated 175. Caster wheels, 175 pounds. They're the neoprene wheel, but the inside of the wheel, the black part, is plastic. So hopefully that plastic doesn't fail. A lot of the reviews on Home Depot say the locking mechanism. I got 8 wheels, so we'll see. So far, that's the progress of it. Then I gotta build some doors. And then just do the same thing, picture frame door. And then use, you know, the rest of that Galvy sheet metal. I was thinking of using that painted rusted side, reversing it, but I think it's fine. This here weighs a ton though already. You know, with that concrete, I mean, the tops are, each top is an 80-pound bag. And then on the middle board, I did a 3/8 rebar, so it's gonna be, it's in an X. Embedded that into the concrete. It's coming together. We got it on so far. I already did a, you know, 4th of July cookout. Still gotta build the doors. It's a little too warm today, but pretty much that's the overall look. Still gotta do some sanding on these 1x2s. Actually, 1x2s. 1x4s are a little too big. I gotta do some sanding on the wood. I gotta cut some metal or some wood to cover this guy up. This is regular Doug fir, so definitely want to get that covered up. That's the back side of it. This grill is a beast, 200 pounds. 8 wheels on it, seems to roll just fine. Only problem is, like, when I cut these out, there's that little lip, but will cut the fuck out of you if you grab it wrong. Just gotta trim those and build the doors. But all in all, it seems like to be a good little barbecue stand. It looks like it's off tilt because the ground is sloped towards the pool. So I got this guy, open her up. I guess my measurements are right because it's pretty damn level from the top of the grill to the tabletop. And man, it rolls, so I can put it there or put it back over there in its little home. Usually I got it right there. I have the TV, you know, chillax. It just weighs. It has some weight to it, baby boy.